The National Bureau of Statistics (NBS) has reviewed ransom payments made between May 2023 and April 2024. According to the NBS latest Crime Experience and Security Perception Survey report, published on Tuesday, 65% of households affected by kidnapping paid ransom for release of their loved ones from their abductors' den. The average amount paid as ransom was 2,670,693,000 naira, with an estimated total ransom of 2.23 trillion naira paid within the reference period, the NBS reports. It said kidnapping incidents was estimated at 2,235,954 nationally, with results showing that rural areas are 1,668,104 recorded more kidnappings than urban areas, which recorded 567,850. Further analysis by zone revealed that Northwest had the highest cases, followed by the North Central, while the least was recorded in Southeast, the report states. Of the households that experienced kidnapping, the survey indicated that 80.5% reported it to the police. The South-South zone had the highest reporting rate at 100%, followed by North Central at 89.6%, while Northwest was least reported at 73.9%, the report noted. A further analysis of the report showed that some of the abducted persons were killed, while others were released. It showed that some of the reported cases of kidnapping, 82.1% were released, 12.8% were killed, and 3.3% were still in captivity. The study indicated about 91% of kidnapping incidents were done for ransom in the form of money, goods, or other benefits. Also, 2.4% of cases were attributed to political, criminal, or terrorist objectives, while 2.1% were linked to personal or family disputes. Custody disputes accounted for 0.5% of cases. On the overall crime rate in Nigeria, the NBS survey suggested that the Northwest region had the highest incidence of crime. Kidnapping in some parts of Nigeria is gradually habitual, from mass abduction in schools to killing of abductees. Crime seems to become a business or profitable venture for gangs. Despite government reassurance and that of security agencies, researchers and experts believe the situation has not been minimally reduced. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and verified news updates.